Hello and welcome back to my channel. I think I have here with me the best free plugin you can use to remove background noises from your audio recordings. This is a simple plugin, simple interface that I believe is way better than some paid plugins. Let me demonstrate to you and let me know what you think in the comment section. The plugin we're talking about is called GOYO voice separator powered by Supertone, and as you can see, it is with a very simple interface. Over here we have a knob labeled ambience with solo and mute button, same with the middle knob voice, and the last one voice reverb. And from their names you should have a good or clearer understanding of what they do. So now I'll quickly play a recording that I recorded in front of a table fan on a high speed. So let me quickly preview that for you guys to see. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Mic test 1 2. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can hear, there is so much noise from the fan in that recording. So now let's engage this powerful plugin by May, and before that I'll turn off the ambience and the reverb. Normally I'm supposed to listen and set it while I'm doing it, but due to the capacity of my backup computer that I'm using, I don't think it can handle that. So I'll engage it and check my, as you can see, so I need to close out this and see what happens. Hello and welcome back to. Alright, so what I can do is just to consolidate this. I'm gonna deactivate this limiter here, delete, and now we consolidate. Let me make it mono, engage, insert, and that's pretty much. So render. Alright, now we have the consolidated version, and let's have a quick listen. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Mic test 1 2. Welcome back to my channel. Wow. And this is before. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Mic test 1 2. Welcome back to my channel. And this is after. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Mic test 1 2. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I believe it speaks for itself, but let me know what you think in the comment section. So when you are using this, while you are playing through, try to set it to taste. So that will be it for today's video. Stay creative and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.